I compose music, I build electromechanical art objects, and I get pretty obsessive about things that I do. Sometimes I start building something, usually it's a quick idea, and then I find myself stuck months and months trying to build something as perfect as possible. People ask me, what is it that you do? Is it art? Is it engineering? Is it something else? And I don't think I have a good answer. When I build my work, I don't think of it as art. It's just an instinct, some sort of obsession that drives me. Then when I'm finished, I don't know what to call it, but I prefer to not think about this anymore. So these things that I make is something that Koka makes. We like things because we're human. You're constantly being told that you need to justify what you do, find a rational explanation to what you do. But there comes time when you just need to put all of that away and let your intuition guide you and engage your skills. Most of the time, I have to massage myself into just letting it go and making things as I like them. That pencil, that magnifying glass, that carbon fiber stick, and that micrototem on that specific shape of wooden box is as close to perfect as I could make it. So when it comes to working with music technology, you're left with very little time to composing music. But for example, with the drone box, I'm not particularly interested in composing music for it. It has some demo songs and that's it. So the drone boxes, I produced them and now they are not mine anymore. When I want to take a break from building electromechanical things and do something else, I shoot videos and then I edit them together. Somehow I realized I enjoy sitting and editing things by hand. It's my shelter. Sometimes I just run away to that place and spend a month or two there. I have this internal driver that makes me produce things. But then when I'm finished, I let things go. When I put out my work, when I produce it, when I exhibit it, I'm never sure. So I don't want to be a critic of my own work. My work is done. I'm done. Yeah. So I've got very difficult problems to solve. Bye.